हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन, दिस इज समद खान एंड आई वेलकम टू आवर चैनल वेकेशनिस्ट। तो आज का जो वीडियो इट्स गोना बी लिटिल डिफरेंट। इट्स नॉट अबाउट ट्रैवलिंग टू अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, इट इज अबाउट आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन इन द टाइटल। But before I answer that question, what we are going to do is we are going to talk to people, random people, and get their experience through this pandemic. So you also get to understand what people have gone through, and then I will give you the answer to what is the most dangerous thing that has happened to people in COVID. So do make sure you watch the video till the end, because at the end of the video, not only am I going to give you the answer, मैं और एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ बताने वाला हूँ। वो है एक ऐप जो मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाला हूँ ये वीडियो में, which will change the way you look at shopping. घर बैठे बैठे हाउ कैन यू शॉप इन अ मॉल, आई एम गोना शो यू एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो। सो डू वॉच द वीडियो। और जब तक मैं जाके लोगों से बात कर रहा हूँ ना, आप लोग एक काम करो, वीडियो को ना फौरन सब्सक्राइब कर लो, ठीक है? मैं अभी बात करके आता हूँ।
Good thing is we got to spend a lot of time with family, being at home, and we got time to think about ourselves, what we have to do.
Spending time with family. This is the one thing.
The good thing is mainly pollution.
The only good thing I could probably see is with the lockdown, people are more together, families are all together, and we spend more time with the family.
The good thing is that you get to spend more time with the family.
The bad thing is obviously missed going out, and yeah,
Going out, eating outside
eating
food, all of
outside
that.
food. Yes.
The bad thing is obviously you can't go out much, and obviously and spending time with nature obviously is the bad thing, which we're missing. So that's the bad thing.
All it seems is bad. I mean, individually, personally, socially, and also economically, I think in all respects it's a bad thing.
So it's better to have a mask every time. Like when you go step out, have a mask.
Yes.
Even if
Yes, at all times.
Yes, definitely. I would suggest yes.
Yes, I would say yes, because it's obviously always being cautious is always a better way to go about it. No, I mean for fun, yeah, but not seriously. But then if it's like a frequent coughing or sneezing, then yeah, I mean you have to raise that alarm.
I haven't come across anyone like that.
Usually it happens.
Yeah, the fear factor is always there, and if somebody is coughing or sneezing, it is a definite sign of being, alert with all those things.
I use every 1 hour or something. Whenever I go out, touch something, I immediately use sanitizer.
Whenever you touch some other objects or something, it's better to handle.
As often as possible, as much as possible, wherever you have touch points. I mean,
Only
In
when
groups.
you go out, I would say. Otherwise, when you're at home, you wash your hands. It's better with a soap or.
Yeah, at least recent studies or recent
not airborne.
articles I've read
See, you have a
says so.
disagreement amongst yourselves.
Oh, that's all right. I mean, at least the articles I've read and the news or the research I've seen states that it is airborne, as far as I know. So I do believe
Why
that.
do you say it's not airborne?
No, that's what I heard.
Okay.
I mean, initially they did say that it's an airborne one, but later on, there's another sector of scientists or whoever, they have said that, it's not really airborne.
Yes.
Why do you think so?
I mean, many people walk around. They might sneeze. They might have symptoms. We will not know. It might spread through air.
Usually it's not, but to some extent, there will be like mild particles, like droplets only, but they will be very mild, so it can travel for a certain distance. It's better to avoid
Better
maid.
to avoid
Yeah,
maid.
better to avoid maid. But if it is necessary, like elders,
Especially like the old people.
old
and all.
aged people,
In
That
that
is
type of
the difference
situation.
between a girl and a boy, I think. Girls will never say avoid maid.
Yeah.
Boys will mostly say avoid maid.
depends upon the maid.
Yeah.
Depends upon his cleanliness.
He's talking about something else.
Yeah, I definitely check her temperature every day. I make sure she sanitizes and washes her hand as soon as she enters the house.
Okay.
And I made sure she's not going out of town.
We have a sanitization before they come into the house. They wash their hands, they wash everything, and then we also have a a sanitizer placed there, and there's no entry without a mask.
Initially, we didn't let our maids, I mean, they didn't come first thing. And nowadays, they've started coming. They do take precautions. They come, they wash their hands, and we make sure they don't work in more than 2 houses.
I think you should have the whole kit thing. I mean, I would say if it's not really important, I would say avoid it.
Social distancing is the most important thing. We will limit the number of people to a certain small gathering.
I would definitely avoid going to such functions or funeral unless it's very, very important.
It's better to avoid such things, but if it is necessary, maintain certain social distancing and sanitizing hands and masks.
Wearing masks and sanitization, and I would definitely have maintain distance. I love animals basically, so I did a dog ethology course, and I have a pet, so I'm trying to do all the inputs on her.
Well, I mean, of course, sitting at home, we try to dish out all the favorite dishes.
Actually, we both have Wonderland. Like we used to have the dancing habit. Don't ask me to dance now. Okay.
I think cooking is one of them. I'm pretty sure everybody is going through that, like home cooking.
We started reading a lot of books, and of course, like I said, we watch most of the movies also. Well, I mean, that's a very good question.
Well, she does the organizing the rooms and doing the bed sheets. And I pretty much do the cooking. She does the chopping, the vegetables and stuff.
He was very helpful with all the kitchen cleaning work, so I really appreciated it. Not really, no.
Yeah, no. Actually, no.
You means you have made them.
Yeah.
Everybody did.
No, but
you missed your
maid,
maid a
yes,
lot.
I did. In fact, he missed the maid a lot.
No.
Maid was the most important.
No, maid was certainly important. When the chores got really piled up.
No, we were actually staying at home all the time.
So you followed it
did
100%?
Yes, we did not even get out of the house for good 3 months.
Well, at least to my knowledge, I haven't broken anything. No.
Well, I mean, yeah, the lockdown, when you in terms of going out and doing stuff, obviously you got to follow this. You don't have any other choice.
We feel like you're following, but we are not following.
So now that you've heard people talking about their experiences through the pandemic, before I go ahead and give you the answer of the question, I'm going to introduce the app to you first. The name of the app is Video. What this app does is basically gives you a whole new experience of shopping in a mall sitting at home. Isn't that an amazing experience? What you can do is do a video call to a shopping mall in any of the shops in a particular shopping mall, see your things, order them, and you'll get delivered at your home in a matter of few hours. Why am I talking so much? मैं काम करता हूँ. I will let the founders of this app introduce it to you. So first hear them out, then I'm going to give you the answer. So stay tuned.
This is Shravan I'm the founder of Video app. So during this lockdown, we have come up with, everybody's coming up with their own talent. So we have come up with our own innovative talent, and so we have developed an app where you can make a video call to the stores and do your shopping. So this is something similar to WhatsApp, but then it's much more bigger platform than WhatsApp, where you can pay on the video call, you can then get the delivery within 60 minutes, and you can shop from all the brands in Inorbit, whether it's Charles Keith or whether it's Aldo or whether Raymond or any other store. So this is a perfect solution for this lockdown period, and you'll stay safe. It's contactless, best for the corona, and you will be safe. Thank you.
And do check out the app links on both App Store and iOS.
So I'm sure you've understood that the app is amazing. So what I'll do is उसका जो description होगा, link जो होगा वो मैं description में छोड़ दूँगा. So do download that app and enjoy shopping from the comfort of your home. Okay, अभी आते हैं answer की तरफ. Now what I have noticed, guys, to be very honest, see, COVID has a lot of negative things that came with it, but the most negative thing that I have noticed is the fear that it has created in people. You know, आपको कोरोना है नहीं है, कोई खांसे, कोई मतलब कुछ भी हो, you first thought that comes in your mind is that maybe I have COVID, and I've seen a lot of people have this thought, this fear. You know, I will tell you something. You have heard a lot of people saying what kind of precautions you can take, right? It is nothing different from driving a car. जब आप गाड़ी लेके बाहर निकलते हो, you do take precautions, right? Accelerator पे पैर दबा के निकल नहीं जाते. You take precautions. You look left and right. You brake when somebody is in the front. It is the same. When you're going out, I'm not saying go out daily. You know, forget about all the precautions. Go out when it's required. Do things. Try and get back to the regular life as much as possible, but taking precautions. Using mask, you know, using sanitizers, maintaining distance from people. If you do that, you can get back to a normal life. You can live a normal life, and even though corona is around, it might take some time for it to go away, but you getting back to a normal life is very important, and doing things to break free from your regular life. ये घर में बंद होते होते ना, you get frustrated. I got frustrated, which is why a YouTube channel has come, you know, in place, and now I'm trying to figure out ways to do more and more things. So do follow our channel also. We are going to show you different ways of breaking free from your daily routine. Okay, so the biggest thing that I said is the fear of corona that is affecting people, and that is what has been told to me by our doctors also, that I know. You know, basically डरो मत, precautions properly लो, जो करना है वो करो, and live a normal life. That is the whole idea of what we are doing here. So I hope you guys have liked the video, and if you have liked the video, like करना मत भूलना वीडियो को, share it with your family and friends. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel, because that is what motivates me to do more and more videos, because that shows me that you like our videos. Comment अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा, comment अगर आपको लगता है we can improve in any way. ठीक है, we are also coming up with a Bangalore series very shortly. You know, we are going to Bangalore on the road trip, so that also you're going to see. So yes, stay tuned, keep watching our videos, keep motivating us, and we will find best ways for you to break free. Take care, stay safe, bye.